Happy Friday. You guys seem to be enjoying the van talk lately. My last batch of videos did pretty well and it picked up a bunch of new subscribers. So welcome new subscribers. Question: how many of you started with a standard height van and then you ended up getting a high top roof, spent a bunch of money? Let me know how you feel about it. Do you regret it? Are you happy with it? I'm hyping myself up because I'm gonna have mine in a few weeks, and I spent a lot more than $6,700. Paid it off a couple of days ago. So here's what I added: 2 awning windows, $600 each. The options added up real quick. And then look at that, really nice. Maybe if my YouTube channel takes off, I'll do a finished interior, go back to Utah. I'm just looking forward to it as is. See, look at that finished interior. Maybe someday. 2 storage nets, because even with the high top roof, I know all the storage possible is gonna be nice. Here's another finished roof. Oh, sky hatch. I got this with Brooke in mind. Brooke loves taking pictures. She loves going camping with me, and that's one of the main reasons I got a high top roof. In fact, it's the main reason, because in the morning it's really cluttered, so I just want to make camping fun for both of us. It's our favorite thing to do. So she likes taking pictures, so I intend on putting the bed all the way in the back, so in the morning she could step on the bed and then look through the sky hatch, take cool pictures if we're at a cool spot. So I got that, really with Brooke in mind. And then one more. I got the off-road light bar. I think standard roof vans look a lot better than high top roof vans, so I got the light bar to help with the looks department a little bit. So with the row of lights on top, I think it'll compensate a little for not looking as cool with the high top roof. Of course, I'm gonna gain so much more like comfort with the high top roof, but I do like how normal roof vans look. Roy, Chico in the van, he's the first person I know that started with a standard roof van that ended up getting a high top roof. And at the time he did it, I thought to myself, man, $7,000 is a lot just to stand up, and now here I am spending almost $9,000 on a high top roof. I pulled off the stock roof carpet insulation last weekend. This window is painted with Plasti Dip. It looks better on the other side, ugly on this side, so I had some sunshades covering it. I pulled it off. I ordered some real window covers for it, so it's gonna look really nice. But yeah, our first 2 days driving to Utah, me and Brooke are gonna sleep in here with the ugly roof, standard height, and then the way back we're gonna have a high top roof. Really looking forward to it. So lifted van meet November 2024, not many people had a high top roof. And then lifted van meet November 2025, a bunch of people had high top roofs. So Roy, Chico in the van's the first person I know that had a standard roof van, went with the high top, spent $7,000 plus. Second person is Slick Rick. He went with the high top roof, and after that meet, people loved it, and then a bunch of my friends got high top roofs after that meet. So lifted van meet November 2025, bunch of high top roofs.
Flooded?
Just followed it. I almost got stuck.
It was flooded? Yeah.
I had to do a donut.
Yep. If he's getting stuck, I'm definitely gonna get stuck. Look at these sick vans. You need a lift. Sick add-ons, baby. I'm stealing John's lines.
So many of you have one-upped me. Not only did you guys get lift kits, but you also got high top roofs for your vans. So in May, I'm headed to Saltlake City, Utah, Wasatch Overland, to get a high top roof for my van. I was all about just lifted vans, lift kits or 4-wheel drive conversions, and then it backfired on me and people were rolling into the meets with high top roofs and Bluettis, and that's another thing I just bought, a Bluetti. 1152 watt hours, So last lifted van meet, I ran out of electricity, and even Brooke was like, I think we need more electricity, so I'm equipped now. So yeah, my own lifted van meets got me spending a bunch of money.